Hey and welcome to Alpha One. This is my first vlog, and what I'm planning to do going forward is to show you a little my life here in Sao Paulo, Brazil. I am a Norwegian, so I can have a unique view of the life here. As you know, I'm trading binary option every single day, and that's what I live by. And you can follow me also if you want to do that. As you might have seen most of my videos, I'm trading live, I'm trading Forex, I'm trading binary option, I am mining some cryptocurrency, and you basically see me in that type of scene where I'm sitting in front of my computer. I'm going to change that a little. But if you want to see that, of course, next Monday I'm going to trade live for pocket options. If you want to join me there, use the first link you find below the video. Other than that, my plan is to bring along a little when I go to the shopping, when I go out, when I'm eating dinner, and we can check out a few things, prices of things that you need, for example, for mining and things over here in Brazil. So you can get this point of view also. But the first of all, I'm just going to bring along so you can see how life is for a person like me that basically work with binary option. I'm trading like 1 hour a day, and the rest of the day I'm just enjoying myself. So it will be a part of that. Just follow along and I will show you how we can live here in Brazil. It's a different view, like I said, because we have some restrictions when you live here. I can't just bring you, for example, to the street because you probably will be robbed. That's the problem when you are here in Sao Paulo, especially if you go after 18 night. Like you can see outside now, the clock is now basically 6 and start to be dark already. And right away start to be dark. It's not so smart, especially to go in the street holding a camera. You're basically just asking to be robbed, so it's not a so good idea. But we will do it safely, go to places where we safely can go and make videos, okay? So if you have any interest about that, make sure you like this video, make some comments what you want me to check out here in Brazil, if it's something specific things you want to check out. Also, I'm thinking about doing some giveaways. So give me some ideas about what you would like, if you want money directly for PayPal, if it's cryptocurrency. The amount basically will be after how popular these new vlogs will be, because these vlogs of course will help me to bring people into my trading. Yes, I do make some money when people sign up under me. I make a small percent every time you're trading, so that's how I will make money from this in the end. So these vlogs in the end will bring more people over to the trading part and so on. But also it's a little fun thing to do, so give me some ideas in the comment field of what you'd like to have in the giveaways, because I'm planning to do a lot of giveaways going forward, okay? So with that, have an amazing day. I will make a new one tomorrow. Probably will be walking a little in the shopping, and I can show you a little what type of options we have here in Brazil when it comes to computers and this type of things, and the prices. And I'm sure you'll be quite surprised at how terrible it is. But with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.